Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to change fonts. So for example, I will create paragraph tag and set the name change font 1. I will create again in the second with paragraph change font 2. The last we create change font 3. Now we can save and then open in a browser. So we have these three options. Now we'll change fonts in the first paragraph. Okay, you can add new style tag. And the next, use the font family. Now you can see we have these options for the fonts. Like for the first, I will use the Arial. So you can tap Arial and click File, Save. Now you can view in browser. So this is for the Arial font. I will set again in the paragraph 2 with the style and font family. You can set like into impact. You can type impact, click file save, and this is for the impact. And the third, I will change again with style code and change into font. You can set like into Times New Romans, or I will use Verdana. You can type Verdana. Click file save and refresh again. So that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to change font.